Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Zach in Iowa on this RCI Ranger Longhorn Superior N6. Zach got ready to go for you, bud. This beautiful red glowing light, as well as fan grill, tuning alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, high cut filter on the back. Start with our power all the way down, 500 watt slug. About 20-25 watts all the way down in case you had to run a 16 or 24 pill with it. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. About 275, 280 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. 700 PEP. Alright, Zach, we're going to get this red monster to you. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.